Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Aramith Pool Balls are probably one of the most important investments you can make to elevate your billiards game, offering unparalleled precision, consistent play, and a luxurious feel that will transform your experience from casual to professional, making every shot feel more controlled and precise than ever before, and ensuring that your games are always fair and enjoyable, no matter your skill level. Number 5. Aramith Crown Standard Billiard Balls. Experience the superior quality and performance of these regulation-size billiard balls. They're crafted for exceptional durability and a truly exceptional game. This set includes everything you need: 8 solids, 7 stripes, and a cue ball. It's perfect for any game, any skill level. Made from high-quality phenolic resin, they are up to 5 times more durable than other materials. Enjoy a longer-lasting, superior playing experience. Each ball is a precise 2 to 1/4 inches in diameter, meeting the highest industry standards. This ensures consistent play and accuracy. These balls offer perfect roundness, balance, and a smooth roll. Experience the difference that superior craftsmanship makes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, these balls provide the perfect playing experience. Enjoy the game. What we like. This set has all the balls you need to start playing. They're regulation size and made from a super durable resin that will last for years. If you're starting out or need a reliable set, this is it. What people say. They roll great, look awesome on the table, and are very durable. These are the best bang for your buck when you're ready to get balls made out of phenolic resin. They resist heat better than the ones made out of plastic, helps to prevent burn marks on your cloth, and they are much more durable. What a difference these balls made. They roll true, look amazing, and sound crisp during contact. Number 4. Aramith Continental Billiard Balls. Get ready to experience the ultimate in billiard ball precision. These balls are crafted from premium phenolic resin for superior performance and durability. They're made of a high-quality phenolic resin, ensuring consistent play and long-lasting use. Enjoy a game that feels as good as it looks. It's the official 2/1/4-inch size, meeting all regulation standards for professional play. Experience the perfect weight and balance for an exceptional game. The numbers are clearly visible, making it easy to identify each ball. This ensures smooth gameplay and reduces any confusion. This set includes all 15 object balls and the cue ball, everything you need for a game. Start playing right away with this complete set. These Aramith Continental billiard balls offer superior quality and performance. Elevate your game with these exceptional balls. What we like. It's a complete set with clearly numbered balls, perfect for easy identification during gameplay. The premier phenolic resin ensures long-lasting quality. If you value clear markings in a high-quality set, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors are correct, the balls are the right weight, just what I wanted. The balls roll straight, and while you can, if you really try, feel the numbers, it had no impact on ball roll or impact. They play great and seem like they'll last. They've held up great so far, over the course of a few years of on and off use. The balls roll better on my table, and they are much easier to clean. Number 3. Aramith Premier Billiard Balls. Experience the ultimate in billiard ball precision. These balls are crafted for superior performance and unmatched consistency. Each ball is meticulously manufactured to ensure perfect roundness and balance. This guarantees a fair and predictable roll every time. They're made to exacting standards, resulting in uniform weight and hardness across every ball. Enjoy consistent gameplay without unexpected bounces. The brilliant colors are not only beautiful but also easy to distinguish, enhancing your game experience. They're designed to last, maintaining their vibrancy game after game. Experience a smooth, friction-resistant roll and reaction. This ensures precise shots and enhances your overall game control. These balls are the hallmark of superior quality and performance. They're the choice of champions and serious players alike. What we like. These balls boast exceptional balance and consistent weight for precise shots. The vibrant colors add to the game's visual appeal. If you prioritize precision in a visually stunning game, choose this set. What people say. These Aramith Premier balls are much better quality. I recently had new cloth and upgraded rubber rails installed on my table, and these balls roll forever and very straight. When I use these balls, as compared to a cheap set, I find that I make the shots more often. They roll perfectly straight. What a great upgrade. The new ball on the right has a nice crisp delineation between the colors. The Aramith balls are supposed to hold up much better over time. Number 2. Aramith Tournament Black Billiard Balls. Experience the next generation of billiard balls. These balls combine superior quality with a sleek, modern black design. It's now easier than ever to distinguish the balls on screen. Specific balls feature new colors for improved clarity on TVs and smaller devices. The striking black design on the striped balls makes them easily identifiable, especially in 9-ball games. It's a game changer. The included cue ball features 6 black dots and the Aramith logo for ultimate precision and easy repositioning. These balls are built to last. Aramith technology provides superior longevity, minimizing wear on your table and lasting up to 40 years. With their exceptional durability, they offer the lowest cost of ownership over their lifetime. A smart investment for any player. What we like. This set features a groundbreaking black design for better visibility on screens, big or small. The Aramith technology makes them incredibly long-lasting. If you're looking for a modern, durable set with superior visibility, this is your best choice. What people say. Action on the spin, consistency, and the looks. Very happy with this product. I measured every ball in this new Aramith set and each was perfect. The quality is exceptional. Number 1. Aramith Pure Phenolic Pool Balls. It's a complete set of 16 billiard balls, each precisely sized at 2 to 1/4 inches in diameter. They're perfectly weighted for a consistent and fair game. These balls are crafted from premium phenolic resin, known for its exceptional scratch and impact resistance. It's designed to last up to 5 times longer than other materials. Experience superior playability thanks to Aramith's VitroTech technology. This heat curing process ensures maximum impact resistance and a smooth roll. They feature the classic numbered stripes design. The brilliant colors and friction-resistant surface enhance the overall playing experience. Each ball is designed with perfect roundness and balance, ensuring uniform weight and hardness. It's ideal for players of all skill levels. These regulation billiard balls are made in Belgium using the highest quality materials and time-tested techniques. Enjoy the superior quality and performance. What we like. This set offers a classic design with numbered stripes, combined with the durability of high-quality phenolic resin. It's a complete set, perfect for those who appreciate tradition and longevity. If you want a classic look with modern durability, this is the set for you. What people say. They roll so nice and you can see the difference on the break. All balls are within the +0.005, 2.25 specification, with an average reading of 2.248. All balls are within 0.002 of the average. They are beautiful with vibrant colors, high gloss, and no production scratches. These are solid, have a good weight to them and roll as straight as possible. They're also very shiny and stay shiny for a long time. Takes less maintenance and keeps your felt looking good for a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.